If tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday was?
Tomorrow.
You know what? Me done. Little more. Eat that. Me out of here.
Wagwan people, you done know your boy Jnel back at it again with our next episode of Trick Questions. And watching the people, you don't know episode 11 and with the half a tree. And I don't know so once you follow the half a tree, you know, it's not go normal. You get to me and say, but I'm not going to talk too long. You know what I mean? So let's get on to the video. Because I know by the teaser video, I know well want to watch the rest of the video. You see me I say, so I'm not taking up too long. Watch episode 11. Half a tree with it. You don't know where things set, you know. Yeah. Hey, hold them. Alright, my G, you don't know what things set in. The first thing, just give me a name.
Yeah, man, I don't know a Drip God represent, man. Yeah. With the I name.
Jnel, man.
Jnel, big up Jnel. Channel out there, YouTube, everywhere. Yeah. All platform. Yeah. Recruit. Absolutely. Yeah. A Drip God. Drip some water, drip. Skeleton wine for me, girl, them. All of them are brought them bones. Brought them bones, yeah. Broke your bones. Me no mean for say, for broke your back, that's so. She tiki make it drop, that's so. Skeleton a walk past in a not a BSK crew, along for the cock that a crew.
Yeah, man, you don't know, man. A Rasta same way, you know? Yes, sir. You know the thing already.
Shakira.
I don't say your name, I say
Shakira, my name.
Brian.
Kenny. Jada. Okay, Tashi. Amanda. I'm going to big up my company, Torpedo. One Torpedo, never two. Run over with YouTube channel, go subscribe. No.
Alright, people, you don't know Torpedo alone from a long time. I know them. Let me see what's going on. Give them a number where you can call. So you don't know.
Alright, you can call 564-4905 or 564-3342. For borrow loan, no collateral and no guarantor. One Torpedo. Jnel.
Your worst nightmare.
God, what is me? I assure me.
I joke. Babisha.
Hey, I run go through now all again, people. Where is it?
Babisha.
Mm-hmm. Where you get that name?
From my parents, Baba and Tadisha.
Okay.
Sophia.
Josh.
Eh?
Josh, your name.
I say my name, top of the cake. Ooh-wee! 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 Ooh! Girl, there's something I say, ooh-wee! When I turn back, ooh-wee! Ooh! Top of the cake, my father. You know it go.
Hi, I'm Crystal. I am shouting out my YouTube channel. It's On Air with Crystal. Go over there and subscribe and support me, as well as go over to my OnlyFans. That's Femdom Chrissy. And subscribe, okay? I need 1,000 fans over there. Subscribe. I'm seeing you're looking. I know you want contents. Subscribe.
Skinny thought like hi, Vanny.
Yeah, man. You don't know a Glenn Device stage name, you see?
Stage name?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're an artist?
Yeah, man.
Run something make we hear now.
Bad bitch. How much if that chance? Come on, bitch. You squeeze up your tits, funky off your sit, take a sit, man, you give me a visit. How long was it, punky or stiff? Me have a whip, follow your step on it, never like, no, that not me. You properly, own up your property, top your slap your seat at buckers na me, girl you feel your pony.
Alright, my general, watch the people them don't know you, but give them a name, see me.
A road star, man. One road star, man. Yeah. Advocate for all taxi, man. You know what thing go on, man. Give me more time.
Hold on, more time for do.
More time for pay a ticket them, illegal ticket them. You ever hear that yet? Something illegal, but we still have to pay it.
Se6, man. Caesar.
Yeah, people, so I go on. Bad thing, them bad slippers, them, you know. You see me? I've to watch them. We take it out. The chain, the bracelet, all of the new shoes. Look on them shoes. I ever see them shoes before? Half white. We have this. A lot of people ask about this one. Yeah, see that glide? Tough. Different pack. Se6. Located halfway tree Park Plaza. Shop number 9.
Yeah, my G. When I see you have a skateboard, bro, what you say? Can I do some tricks on them thing there?
Man, you know, say, I do skate still.
So what go on?
Skate now.
How you trick there? Oh, that's a trick. Don't stop, you know. What you say? Well, I trick we want to see now. Yeah, my G. Big up. I trick who wants him, man. Where you trick there? Oh, yes, sir.
Catch it on the camera.
Why trick that?
Yeah,
You
man.
think you'd go like...
And no, man, but it come back too, no. Same way. Yeah, man.
Come here, come. Oh, I do a trick again. I trick that. It's bad. But watch out. We have 3 questions for you now. You're the first one, right?
Yeah.
If tomorrow is Saturday, right? Yesterday was?
Friday. Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Friday.
If tomorrow is Saturday,
Yeah.
yesterday was?
Friday. Right.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Right.
Right, man.
Oh, you so sure?
Sure, man. Cause if tomorrow is Saturday,
Yeah.
the other day before Saturday was Friday. Cause Friday then near Saturday.
Eh.
Yeah.
So if tomorrow
Yeah.
was Saturday,
Yeah.
yesterday was?
Friday.
If we say talk
If tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday was?
if tomorrow was Saturday,
Yeah, if tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday was?
yesterday was Friday.
Sure.
Yeah, man. Cause yesterday no was Saturday, you say?
No, man, if tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday was?
If tomorrow is Saturday,
Yeah.
yesterday was Friday.
If tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday was?
Friday. Friday, right?
Friday.
Yeah.
Sure. If tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday was?
Friday. Friday. Friday.
Friday. If tomorrow is Saturday.
Yesterday was?
Yesterday was. I'm out with you, Mickey. Go on, the girl. Yes. Wait, I'm gonna catch myself. Yes, sir.
If tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday was?
Yeah, must say Friday.
If tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday was?
Tomorrow.
Come on. If tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday was?
Yesterday. Yesterday was Friday.
If tomorrow, right, is Saturday, yesterday was?
Friday.
Really? If tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday was?
No Friday.
Friday?
Yeah.
If tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow is Saturday. Yesterday was?
Thursday.
I think I go say Friday. Yesterday was?
Friday.
If tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday was?
Friday.
Sure.
Yeah. If tomorrow is Saturday.
Yeah. Yesterday was?
Friday. Wrong. What you say?
Think about it now. If tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday was?
Tomorrow. Thursday.
Thursday, man.
Yeah. Thursday.
If tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday was Friday. Yeah.
Sure.
Oh, sure. Wait. If tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday
Was?
Friday.
If tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday was?
Yesterday.
Bullshit.
Yesterday was yesterday. If tomorrow, what you say? If tomorrow
If
was?
tomorrow is Saturday,
Yeah.
that means yesterday was?
Yesterday can't come and tomorrow not come. Oh, tomorrow for me, yes. Me don't know. This thing is, so you have to go tell me now what I'm doing.
No, you serious? You can't serious.
You have to go give me that one now. Me don't know that one.
Listen again, you know.
Yeah.
If tomorrow is Saturday,
Tomorrow is Saturday.
yeah, that means yesterday was?
Friday.
I don't know funny, brother.
I did not come here for yesterday.
Come on.
If tomorrow is Saturday,
Yeah.
yesterday was?
Friday.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday was Friday.
How you get that?
If tomorrow is Saturday,
Yeah.
is it?
Yesterday was?
If you base it upon say tomorrow, you're there not tomorrow.
Yeah.
But the real tomorrow is, if tomorrow is Saturday,
Yeah. Yesterday was?
if you base it upon a point there, if you base it upon now, yesterday or Thursday,
Yeah.
or today or Friday.
So the answer on Thursday, man?
Then that me I say? You hear me say? You didn't hear what I say a while ago?
What you say Friday?
No, I said Friday.
Yeah.
Because guess what? If you're basing up on if you're actually acting like you're in tomorrow, and tomorrow is Saturday.
Yeah.
If you're basing on today,
Yeah.
it's Thursday.
Yeah.
Towards
Yeah,
today.
Hey, let me ask you that one, alright? If tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday was?
Friday. Friday.
Friday.
Friday.
You people my name.
Antonio Adene wife. T.Y. aka Indulge.
Indulge. You are indulged.
T.Y. aka Indulge. Indulge.
Madman, this now.
Madman. I'm careful, can't be mad.
If tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday was?
If tomorrow is Saturday. Tomorrow is Saturday.
Yeah, yesterday was?
Yesterday was Thursday.
Eh?
Yesterday was Thursday.
If tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday was?
If tomorrow is Saturday,
Yeah.
yesterday was Thursday.
If tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday was?
Friday. Thursday.
Can't be Thursday.
If tomorrow, yeah, my G, big up. If tomorrow is Saturday, that means that today is Friday. So yesterday was Thursday.
No man, that can't right man. If you say yesterday was Saturday, that means that the day would have been
No.
Friday.
Say
then
if
Saturday.
tomorrow is Saturday, yesterday was, yeah. 'Cause today have to be Friday, if tomorrow be Saturday.
Oh,
So yesterday have to be Thursday.
yesterday would have to be Thursday.
Yeah.
No man, yesterday would have to be Friday then Saturday man. And that is it.
That is it.
Yeah, give me the
We'll go
dead
to your next one. Mr. Brown have 4 daughters, right?
Yeah.
Each time daughter have a brother. How much pitney Mr. Brown have?
Mr. Brown have 4 daughters,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
How much of them I'm
No man, Mr. Brown have 4 daughters.
yeah.
Each time daughter have a brother. How much pitney Mr. Brown have?
8 pitney in all man.
8.
Yeah.
What make you say that?
Yeah man, it right man.
What make you say that?
Cause I'm have 4 daughters and 4 sons. So in all I 8.
Mr. Brown have 4 daughters, right?
Yeah.
And each of the daughter have a brother. How much pitney Mr. Brown have?
Mr. Brown have 4 daughters,
Yeah.
right? And each one of the 4 daughters, you know, right? And each one of the brother them.
Have a brother. Each one of the daughter have a brother.
Each one of the daughter. Mr. Brown have 4 daughters.
Yeah.
And each one of the brother.
Each one of the daughter
Each one of the daughter
have a brother.
have a brother.
How much pitney Mr. Brown have?
No 4. We have 4 daughters. Each one. Wait. Repeat.
Mr. Brown have 4 daughters.
Yeah.
Each one of them daughter have a brother. How much pitney Mr. Brown have?
Oh. Nah. 4 plus 4, 8 that. No sir.
So?
No, because each time that if him have 4 daughters, each of them have 1 brother. So just 1 brother. If
Oh, okay. Oh. 4, 8.
How much pitney Mr. Brown have?
8. That would be 8.
How much pitney Mr. Brown have?
Four.
Mr. Brown have 4 daughters, and each one of them daughter them have a brother.
Yeah. How much pitney Mr. Brown have?
4 daughters, and each of them have a brother. 4 daughters, and each of them have a brother. 8.
Yes.
8 Pitney.
Mr. Brown have 4 daughters.
Yeah.
And each one of them daughter have a brother.
Yeah. How much Pitney, Mr. Bro?
4 daughters, 4 Pitney him have 4 daughters.
Yeah, each one of them daughter have a brother.
Brother then must be the father Pitney.
My father Pitney man.
8.
My 4.
8 Pitney then.
8.
8 Pitney. Mr. Brown have 4 daughters.
Yeah, and each one of them daughter have a brother. How much Pitney Mr. Brown have?
4.
And him have 4 daughters.
Yeah. So how much Pitney Mr. Brown have?
How much Pitney Mr. Brown have? Alright. And each. Oh, Mr. Brown have 4 daughters. And each one of the daughter them have a brother.
Yeah.
Oh.
So how much Pitney Mr. Brown have?
How much Pitney Mr. Brown have? 4. And each one of them, each one of the 4 of them have a brother. Four. That's 16.
Mr. Brown have 4 daughters.
Yeah.
Each one of them daughter have a brother.
Yeah.
How much Pitney Mr. Brown have?
Each one of the daughter them have a brother. Now 4 Pitney him have, man. We don't know if I feel Pitney them.
What do you mean? I feel Pitney them man. Mr. Brown have 4 daughters, you know?
Him have 4 daughters.
Yeah, each one of them daughter have a brother. So how much Pitney Mr. Brown have?
Mr. Brown have 4 Pitney to what me know, because I don't know if a stepfather for the other Pitney them.
How much Pitney Mr. Brown have?
5.
How much you have?
How much Pitney Mr. Brown have?
4. 4. Wait, come again. Repeat the question again.
Mr. Brown have 4 daughters.
Oh,
yeah.
4 daughters.
Yeah.
How
Each
many?
one of them daughter have a brother.
Sorry. I have 5 kids.
5?
How you get that?
Because you say him have 4 daughters, right? And each of them have 1 brother. So 5 of them.
Mr. Brown has 4 daughters.
Yeah.
And
Each one of the daughter have a brother.
Oh,
How much? Yeah.
8.
If 12 donut at $1,200.
Eh?
If 12 donut at $1,200.
Yeah.
How much for 20 donut?
If 12 donut are for $100,
No man, if 12 donut
Yeah.
for $1,200.
$1,200, right?
Yeah, how much for 20 donut?
Much 20 donut. 20 donut, $1,200, right? That's alright, me hear what I say. 12 donut are for
12 bills.
12 bills, right?
Yeah. How much for 20 donut?
20 donut. 20 donut are for 2,400.
Right? Say 20 donut. That be if $22.
Eh?
$22.
$2,000. Pick up yourself, bro.
Ask her the question.
If 12 donuts is 12 bills, how much for 20?
12 donuts are 12 bills, 20. Alright, quick maths.
2 + 2 is 4, -1, that's 3, quick maths.
That's a 1,200, yeah. 1,300, 1,400, 1,500. Yeah. 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800, 2,000. $2,000.
Yep, that's it.
$12 is $1,200. Shit, you give me one math now. It's like you just give me some other. Well, I'm not saying $1,200. How much to 20? Or put 6 more on that. Don't stress me right now. Pass me my next one. I come from work. Give me one English one.
12 bills. 11, 12, 24. 2,000? 2,000. 12 donuts are for 12 bills.
If 12 are for 12 bills, how much for 20?
You can't do maths. You can't do maths.
Give me a calculator.
Yes, sir.
2,000. Yeah.
Alright, that is it. Pick up yourself, yeah?
Alright, big up.
$20. 20 bills.
Eh?
2 grand.
Oh. Yeah, man.
Yo, hold on.
What am I get the answer?
Nah, man, I can't check it, man, my father, man. Watch out now. 12 of them are for 20. How much of 12 of them are for 12?
12 bills, yeah.
12 of them are for 12 bills.
How much for 20 of them?
20. 2 grand.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So you know, say 2,400 for 2 dozen then.
Yeah.
But I don't know what I go on this now, because I don't know how to deduct. What if you take a fight to get the 10?
If 12 donut are for 12 bills,
Yeah.
how much for 20 donut?
I work on a bus brain. If 12 donut have 12 bills. What for 20 donut?
Yeah, man, we are forward.
2 ones, 2 twos, 4.
Yeah.
240,000 like that.
$240,000?
Yeah. How if me right?
Eh?
Me wrong?
Yeah, man.
If 12 donut have 12 bills. That is it?
Yeah, how much for 20?
Oh, 12 donut for 12. I think I say each one have 12 bills.
If 12 donuts have 12 bills, how much for 20?
Yeah.
I know it's about 4 times I feel maths. 12 donuts.
12 bills.
12 bills.
How much for 20 donut?
2 grand? Oh.
A white ball him a go name right now. You can't cut in a pot. No, you can't cut in a pot.
White ball, man.
You know him a go take, man. Move your coke. Move your coke. Look what in teeth them. A coke lick out in teeth them, yeah?
A sweets.
A coke lick out in teeth. Sweets. He stop eat sweets from him a pitney and coke it.
Sweets.
Barbie can coke it.
Watching the people, you don't know, we just shot with, you don't know, Caesar, Xnex, and I mean, and the dog say, yo, Jnel, hold on on this. So I say, hold on on that. I say, I don't want the money, dog, I'm good. The bro I say, no, man, this. You see me? So watch now. Watch now, people, I'm open me, I couldn't see what I go on. So watch now. So watch now, people. Make sure you follow the dog on the gram, you understand? We're going to put the name on the screen. You know what I mean? Because good youth, anytime I forward half a tree, I make sure you come link him because I charge it for a long time. You get what I say? So watch now. Thank you for watching episode 11 of Trick Questions. And you don't know, say half a tree there. Make sure you click the like button. I realize say, yo, the video them drop. And then I click the like button. We not like that. But watch now. We like this. You see me? Yeah. So watch now, people. Thank you guys for watching. You don't know your boy Jnel. And who?
Caesar, Xnex.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, what is it?
Shop number 9, doesn't it?
Watch out, people. You don't know your boy Jnel. And as usual, I'm out.